Hello, I'm J.W. Peters with Solar Power of Oklahoma, and today I want to talk about the flashing systems and the racking systems that we use for asphalt shingles. Here in Oklahoma, I know that we have massive winds, and we get the question all the time about tornadoes. Well, what about tornadoes? Will these solar panels blow off my roof? And the truth is, the racking systems that we have selected to use for our customers can withstand 150 mile-an-hour winds. So you definitely do not have to worry about our solar panels blowing off of your home. So I would like to go over a little bit with you today to kind of show you the differences in our two flashing systems that we use. The first one that we use, this is a FlashFoot 2 by Iron Ridge. We've used this system now for 4 or so years, but this particular flashing actually slides up underneath the shingles. We then drill a pilot hole into the structure of your roof and secure it with a 4-inch lag bolt. Okay, so once that is secured, it's not coming off. The second flashing, and the one that we've started using more recently, is actually this flash lock by Unirac. This flash lock has the same characteristics with the structure, but this one actually just fits directly onto your shingles. Okay, we actually don't go under, we actually just fit on, and then we drill a pilot hole, lag bolt that in, but then we actually fill this entire cavity with a sealant. So it will seal around this bolt. Both of these flashings are guaranteed not to leak. Both of these flashings carry a 25-year warranty. And again, both of them can withstand 150 mile-an-hour winds. So if you have any more questions about Solar Power of Oklahoma or solar in general, please go to our website or our YouTube page to learn more.